Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Irene. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't be a stranger, hit on that subscribe button so you'll be part of this amazing family. So guys, I have ever since I started my natural hair journey, it has been a very easy and smooth journey. But as my hair has grown longer, I have been having issues with my wash routine and just maintaining a particular routine and detangling my hair. So I came on YouTube and I saw a very easy wash day routine by the Chick Natural, and I just fell in love with that video, guys. It looked so easy and it feels like something that can easily be attained. So I decided to just follow our routine step by step and just try to see if it's gonna help me out with my crisis. So guys, I'm going to be trying out this routine, but please bear in mind I don't have any of the products she used, the conditioner and the shampoo, so I'm going to be using the ones I have to just recreate what she has done. Bear in mind, I don't know if using not the same product will impact on the final result, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. So guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, first things first, she added water to her hair. This is what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure my hair is wet. Then I'm going into the also clean shampoo and just massaging it into my scalp. Just working from my scalp up, and I'm just rubbing it in, guys. This felt so good. So I'm going into this scalp massager slash brush. I got it off AliExpress, and guys, I have been obsessed with it ever since. I'm just working it into my scalp. It helps with blood circulation and it just helps to clean my scalp really well. And I'm just rinsing the shampoo off my hair. Then I go into my conditioner. I'm using the Shea Moisture conditioner. I partitioned my hair into 3 sections so I can take it part by part. This is the brush I'm going to be using. I applied the conditioner into my hair and just massaging in before I started detangling with this brush. Guys, this method makes so much sense. With the conditioner in my hair, it makes my hair really soft, and detangling it is a lot easier. It didn't even take me as much time as it would if I didn't have conditioner in my hair. So I'm just going into a pack my hair up, then I'm going to be braiding it. Like I said earlier, I'm following the Chick Natural method. This is what she did in her video and I'm just recreating it. Then I'm braiding it. Then when it gets to the tip, I'm just gonna twist it like she did also. Then I'm just gonna repeat everything I did in this section again. Like I said, I added my conditioner into this part of the hair and I just went into the brush to just detangle. This is me detangling. Then I go into the hair packer and just pack it up. This way my hair stays in one position, which makes a lot of sense and it makes my hair flat. And I'm just braiding it. Then I'm going to twist it by the edge. So I'm just going to be doing the third one off camera so it does not take so much time. And this is me just rinsing the conditioner off my hair. Just make sure I rinse every bit of conditioner off my hair. So guys, this is the amount of hair I lost. It was a lot, but it was not as much as I would normally lose. So this is me the next day. So I'm just going to take it out. First things first, I'm going to be loosening the hair. So guys, because my hair is always dry, I just applied a little bit of coconut oil on my hand before I start loosening it, because my hair, like I said, is always so dry. Then I'm taking out the rubber band, and I'm going to be going into the coconut oil. I'm just going to take a bit and apply it into my hair. And I'm going to go into this brush to just brush it out. Guys, this method was so not stressful. It was so easy. So I'm just going to be repeating this on every other part of my hair. But guys, can you see how stretched out my hair is? So I'm just packing it in a bun till I make it. For now, I'm going to make my hair today, so I'm just packing it in a bun. So guys, this is a very easy method. I am obsessed. So I would say thank you so much, the Chic Natural. This is definitely a method I will keep using every time to detangle and wash my hair. Thank you. So guys, tell me, will you be trying this method out? If you would, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.